Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Knowledge Hub. Today, we're going to discuss something incredibly simple yet profoundly symbolic in the world of programming, that is the iconic Hello World program. It's not just a piece of code, it's a rite of passage, a tradition, and a gateway to an exciting journey into the world of technology. By the end of this discussion, you'll not only understand what this simple program means, but also appreciate its significance in programming history and why it's the perfect way to start learning any programming language. When you think about learning something new, whether it's painting, music, or sports, there's always a first step, right? The first brushstroke, the first note, the first serve. In programming, that first step is often writing a program that displays two words, hello world. Now, you might wonder why these two words? Why not something cooler like welcome to coding or programming is fun? The answer lies in simplicity and tradition. So, let's talk about the origins of Hello World. To truly understand what Hello World means, let's take a trip back in time. The origins of this program date back to the 1970s, a time when programming was much less accessible than it is today. Computers were huge, clunky machines, and programming wasn't as beginner friendly as it is now. The phrase Hello World was first popularized by a book called The C Programming Language, written by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie, two legends in the field of computer science. They included a Hello World example in their book to introduce new programmers to the basic syntax of the C language. This simple program printed Hello World on the screen, and it quickly became a tradition for programmers to use it as their first step in learning a new language. The beauty of Hello World is that it doesn't try to do anything complex. Its only goal is to ensure that you've set up your programming environment correctly and that the language is working as expected. It's a humble beginning, a way to say, let's get started. So, why Hello World matters? Now, let's talk about why this little program matters so much. On the surface, it seems like it's just two words on a screen, but its impact goes much deeper. First is simplicity. When you're learning something new, it's easy to get overwhelmed by complexity. Hello World strips away all that complexity and brings you back to the basics. It's a single purpose program. You write it, run it, and see the output. That's it. It's simple enough for a complete beginner to understand, but powerful enough to give you a taste of programming. Second is confidence boost. Writing your first Hello World program is like planting a flag in new territory. It gives you a small but meaningful win. For many people, seeing those words appear on the screen for the first time is a magical moment. It's the moment they realize they can talk to a computer and make it do something. Third is tradition. As we mentioned earlier, Hello World has become a tradition. It's like a secret handshake among programmers. Whether you're learning Python, JavaScript, C++, or even a brand new language that just came out last week, chances are you'll start with a Hello World program. It connects us to the generations of programmers who came before us. Fourth is test of readiness on a more technical level. Hello World is also a way to test your development environment. Before you dive into coding complex applications, you need to ensure that your tools are set up correctly. Can you write and execute a program? Is everything working as it should? Hello World answers these questions for you. One of the fascinating things about Hello World is how it looks in different programming languages. Each language has its own syntax and style, but the core message remains the same. This program is like a universal translator for programmers. It speaks every language, but its meaning doesn't change. For example, in Python, it's as simple as print hello world. In Java, it's slightly more complex with system.out.println hello world. In assembly language, let's just say it's not quite as beginner friendly. What's amazing is that no matter how different these languages are, they all share this common starting point. It's a reminder that programming languages are tools, and the concepts behind them are what truly matter. To make it even more relatable, think about Hello World as a programming equivalent of introducing yourself to someone new. It's a simple gesture, but it opens the door to communication, connection, and collaboration. Similarly, this program opens the door to a lifelong relationship with technology. So let's recap why Hello World is the perfect first program for beginners. First, it's easy to understand. You don't need any prior knowledge to write this program. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Second, it's universal. No matter which language you choose, Hello World is always your starting point. Third, it's encouraging. Seeing your code come to life gives you the motivation to keep going. Fourth, it's symbolic. It's more than just code, it's a declaration of your intent to learn and grow. Remember, programming isn't just about writing code. It's about solving problems, thinking creatively, and making the world a better place. And it all starts with two words: hello world. So the next time you write or see a hello world program, take a moment to appreciate its simplicity, its history, and its symbolism. It's not just a program, it's a tradition, a celebration, and a reminder of how far we've come. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of programming's most iconic tradition. If this inspired you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly programming content. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.